www.gibsonTruckworld.com 2003 Ford F-250 XLT Crew Cab FX4, 7.3L Power-stroke diesel 4-wheel drive monster riding on 12-inch lift kit with 40-inch tires and 22-inch cruiser alloys. 1-year bumper-to-bumper warranty, off-road package, MP3 and CD player with satellite compatibility, sliding rear window, painted ARE topper, 3 10-inch kicker subs, bed liner, towing package, power windows, power door locks, and power mirrors. Almost 60 monsters in stock, Gibson Truck World is your monster truck headquarters. Gibson Truck World is highly regarded as the world's largest, most trustworthy truck dealership. Gibson is the only dealer that gives a real free 12-month bumper-to-bumper warranty valid across the continental United States, 12 months free maintenance from our 23-bay service.